Welcome to the whole wellness process where balance beats battle. Here we don't fight the body, we learn to flow with it. Essiac Tea steps in as a gentle ally to your body's natural intelligence. Crafted from 4 humble herbs, it honors wisdom passed down through generations. Burdock, root sheep, sorrel, slippery elm bark, and Turkish rhubarb root come together in a simple, time-honored blend. Traditionally enjoyed to support the body's natural cleansing and everyday comfort. Many people use it to nurture resilience and a steady sense of well-being. Sip by sip, you're choosing alignment over overwhelm. Make it a daily ritual of gratitude and feel your presence deepen. With intention, a cup becomes a quiet conversation with the earth. It reminds us that wellness isn't forced, it's received. The same creative energy that renews forests can renew your focus and calm. In the whole wellness process, progress is patient, grounded, and real. Essiac symbolizes trust in divine provision and the rhythms that restore us. While the tea supports your routine, the process uplifts your spirit. Together, they form a bridge between body and soul, habit and revelation. Choose authenticity with mygenuineessiac.com. Visit mygenuineessiac.com for more information on this traditional blend. Every order is backed by a 100% money-back guarantee, no questions asked. This is a personal wellness choice, not medical advice. Listen to your body and consult a healthcare professional as needed. A must-read ebook on the story of Rene Cassé, free at collingofangel.com.